This is the CHAMPKEY Premium Pistol Putter Grip. I'm installing this on this old tri-ball putter, and I just wanted to show you a few things about it. I actually have the one in red, white, and blue. One of my favorite grips. The other one's holding up great. So just to show you this in comparison to a regular golf grip, you can see it's quite a difference. This one completely engulfs it. I like that feel where you can get your whole hand around something. So this is like a foam rubber, has a real nice, soft, textured feeling to it. It's a slightly tacky. It has been good for me in the rain as well as on sunny days. Right here at the bottom, see, it is about 1.5 inches right here, and it tapers down to about 1 inch right here. Very comfortable grip. And if you've never put a grip on before, it's not the hardest thing in the world. You just need some grip tape and some solvent. So let me put this grip tape on here real quick. I like to leave the old tape on sometimes. I already lined this one up to make sure it wasn't going to be too thick, and it's not. Grip tape one side, the other side. I like to put my finger over the hole right here, squirt some solvent into the grip, just the way I do it. Then I will shake it around, get it in there real good, and then using the hole end then with the hole on it, drip the solvent out over the tape, then dump the rest out like that. Brace yourself, slide it on. There you go. Did that in my house slippers. Line it up and let it dry overnight. And there we go, our new CHAMPKEY Pistol Putter Grip. These things are awesome if you haven't given them a try. Very nice. Nice feel.